DJT stock analysis and Trump media technology stock predictions. If you're tired of just guessing, losing money, no clarity, this will fix it. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how I'm trading this and why. You know, I've done 48,000 stock reviews in the last 5 years, and every single one is documented on this channel. So I know what actually makes me money and what doesn't. First thing on the list is going to be the Trump media sort of pumping, right? I like that. 6% up today. You can see the last week was also just some decent performance. Overall higher time frame is honestly hell. I don't like it that at all, you know, how things are from the higher time frame. Let's zoom in for a second here. Daily chart also not that decent. For me to really just change my anticipation to bullish, we will have to break 1140. At least 1140, dude. Yeah. Not good at all right now. 1140 is kind of the goal to kind of see, hopefully, with some big catalyst, you know, fundamentally to take things higher. But in the meantime, you know, I'll just kick rocks. I can't be arsed to just play around with the sell side because it's not even a great setup here. You know, technically here started melting, would have been a break even if we went with the sell side, but it's kind of late and not it right now. I mean, so if you want my exact 3 frameworks that I use to trade profitably and stay consistent, I put them together for you for free. First link in the description. Check it out. See you in the next one.